Hi everyone, Robert Burnhouse Caravans here, just taking you through the 2024 Swift Challenger 580 SE. So the SE is basically even a higher spec than the standard Swift Challenger with ALDE heating. The 580 has been a mainstay of the Swift lineup for quite a few years now, and it's been refined each year. So this is a quick overview of the Caravan and just a few wee spec points here and there. So front lounge, parallel seating, so plenty of space for 4 or more. You've got your chest in the middle here with storage top and bottom. Obviously see the alarm there, that's a standard SE spec. Plug point there with a blank, and then you've got USBs on the other side. All the spots have their own USB as well for all your charging needs. And then you've got your kitchen off to the side here, microwave above, no dish to worry about in those now. Splashback. Dual fuel hob, of course. Off to the other side you've got your TV station, so you got your SAT point there, plenty of plug points as well, storage below, and above that you've got your ALDE heating control, and you've got your newer style touchscreen there for controlling your 12-volt lighting, etc. Omni-vent extractor above, part of the SE spec. Also part of the SE spec, you might have seen on the exterior shots, you've got 230-volt point, electric point, barbecue point, TV point, exterior access to underneath the locker there. You also get an ALKO secure as well as an ALKO jack, so lots of wee extras over and above your standard spec. You get ALKO ATC with this as well, so that's an extra insurance point and safety point there as well. Just to the bedrooms, you've got your island beds, so this is in the day position. Lots of space at the bottom, but even when you fully extend it, you've got space to get by, and it's 6'1" when fully extended. So hecky above that. Now to the rear bedroom, so you've got 2 heckies on the roof, so lots of light getting brought in, and a big mirror there as well. Storage above the loo, plenty of shelving. Then you've got your shower cubicle off to the side with a clothes there, or hanger I should say. And you've got your soap dish there. And then moving back into the bedroom, you've got a little dressing area there. That's your secondary TV point just there as well. So basically for September we're running an offer, so it's £3,000 off the original price, and we're also including a Powrtouch mover worth £1,185. So it's a brilliant offer. You're saving over £4,000 off the original price of the Caravan, and you're saving a lot more on a 2025 model, which outwardly is not a lot different to this one. We also have this one in stock right now, so basically you can get it within a couple of weeks. So get in touch with us via the email address admin@halleycaravans.co.uk, phoning us on 01560 484 859, or just pop into our branch during opening hours, 9 till 6 during the week, 11 till 5 at the weekend. You can speak to the sales team, we can look at your part exchange if you've got one, talk you through the whole process and answer any questions you might have. Okay, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.